Right now, our CTE program has some really amazing offerings, and the teachers are phenomenal. They do a great job of introducing students to a wide variety of career options. We have programs in automotive, we have classes in carpentry, small engine repair, metal fabrication, culinary, business courses. Students can take a wide variety of offerings and learn a little bit about a number of different careers. And that's great, and that is something that I think is a real strength of Farmingdale High School. We would like to take that to the next level, and I'm talking to parents all the time that ask me that. Parents will say to me frequently, my child just told me they don't want to go to college. What do we do? And parents are really looking for us to fill that gap, help students be ready with either a career plan or to be really ready to enter the workforce at graduation. That's a change from what we saw 10 years ago. So right now our programs are a little bit limited because we have lots of exploratory options. It's time for us to really add jobs programs for our juniors and seniors. And these are programs that would get them ready to directly enter the workforce at graduation with a real skill. That would allow students to earn a livable wage if they wanted to continue in an area or support themselves or work while they were doing continuing education. They would actually be making a lot more money and gaining experience in a related field.
I think it's super important that the district improve on the CTE program because not every child wants to go to college and sit in a classroom and learn from books. They want to do hands-on construction or welding. And I think that there is a huge opportunity for kids in the district to have an opportunity to see if they like something other than a career, a pathway to college. And there are kids that want to do these things, and to improve the program and give them all these different opportunities, welding, building, cosmetology. We have an amazing program here for people to be a chef or a baker. These things give kids an opportunity before they get out in the world to decide what they may or may not want to do.
On Long Island, there is a severe lack of skilled labor, which is what we talked about, why price has gone up. And perfect example is me. I say no to jobs because I don't have the manpower to. I can get the job, but I can't produce the job. So therefore, I don't bid the job knowing that I can't do it. And that's a really tough position to be in as an employer. We're going to get kids that should be going down the path of an industry, CTE, that CTE is going to drive them to, and get these kids successful earlier. All too often I get kids when they're 24, 25, 26 that went to college, got their degree, have no idea what they want to do for work because they just went to college because that's what they were told to do, coming into a guy like me for a job interview and we're starting off at $18, $20 an hour, meanwhile they got a college loan to pay. Now had I met those kids at 16, 17, 18, it's a totally different conversation when they're 25. By the time they're 25, maybe they're buying a house, maybe they got money in the bank, maybe they're starting a business. It will be such a change, and that 6-7 years I think is so crucial.
What Farmingdale's looking to do with the CTE program is going to open up many doors, and I tell them this is the only thing you have in this entire building that actually can make them money, that they can walk out and they can actually have a career, a successful career, and live, work, retire.
This whole first responder program or public safety program curriculum that the school district is putting together is great. We have 4 fire departments that cover the Farmingdale School District. Nassau County as a whole is hurting for volunteers, fire EMS wise. We're busier than we ever have been, and we're doing a lot more with a lot less volunteers. So everything is going up with the exception of the amount of volunteers that are joining. And it's a lot more training now than it ever has been. It's a lot more required of the people to join. But with this program, hopefully they can get some of that training in high school, that we could use that as a feeder system into at least the 4 different fire departments that cover the Farmingdale School District and the community here.
In the building construction facility, Students will be able to build small-scale houses as they learn and practice all aspects of residential construction. A nearby classroom space provides an area for students from multiple programs to learn in a sawdust-free environment. Students learn building codes, electrical, plumbing and HVAC systems, and practice preparing work estimates, reading building plans, and developing the problem-solving skills needed for each occupational area. The updated Automotive Services Center expands into 3 auto bays and a new classroom space, where students learn about automotive systems, use simulators to understand engine maintenance issues, and prepare estimates for repairs. To build upon our current metal fabrication class, a new welding learning lab will prepare students for work in manufacturing, metal fabrication, welding, and many other industries. Students and community organizations have repeatedly expressed interest in the ways that the school could help develop much-needed first responders. Local fire departments seek high-quality volunteers, and emergency medical technicians or EMTs are also greatly needed throughout the region. The First Responders Training Center provides a space for students interested in a wide variety of careers to earn certifications in these areas. The Early Childhood Learning Center at Farmingdale High School, also known as the Child Lab, has for many years launched countless young teachers and child care workers upon their careers, while also providing an important preschool experience for community children. The renovation supports an expansion of the program. Additional parking outside of the new cosmetology lab will expand community members' access to salon services. This allows the community to take advantage of a wide variety of low-cost personal care services. The renovation also enables us to add a new barbering program. Farmingdale High School students have repeatedly requested that we add a barbering program in the near future. The revitalization of business education learning spaces helps to keep these important programs relevant and responsive in the constantly evolving business environment. Due to the popularity of the course offerings and the variety of CTE pathways offered, the business program continues to grow. Additional classroom space is needed to respond to this recent growth and to prepare for a new CTE program in criminal justice.
I think CTE career education is important to me because the more you're in it and like the more stuff you do, you have more experiences in the workshop, and that would just lead to a better understanding of when you're actually in the workforce. If you want to go straight into the union or instead of going to college, that can always be like your first choice, and you would have like a bunch of information about it already.
I believe having the CTE program is a great experience for kids at Farmingdale High School because not many students will want to go to college or have different aspects of what they want to do in life. So that CTE program gives them a different alternative way of how to live life after high school and gives them more benefits of what to do, since not really many of us in this generation is their pathway to college is right for everybody. So I feel as though this CTA pathway is a great experience and opportunity for the kids at Farmingdale High School.
Value of CTE can help students prepare for the future of what they want to be: mechanical engineer, or anyone else they want to be.